Yeah, take a look at that. Hump cover's all closed in. Stick shift is welded up. The boot on there. That's complete. As is the rest of the job. Yep. Got the wiring harness for the reverse lockout. It's American powertrain. That's all hooked in. As far as I can tell, it works great. Haven't hit reverse. I did take this for a ride. Everything is nice. Much improvement over that SM465 for just cruising around the streets, that's for sure. Let's look underneath. Here's the drive shaft. I had to get shortened 9 3/8 of an inch. Balanced. I actually took both that shaft and the rear shaft in for balancing. As you can see, the cross member there. She's going to give me some clearance if I want to raise these pipes up a little bit. Emergency brake cable goes right around it. I don't know if you can see in here, but it's pretty darn good fit right there. Everything's come out very good. I'm happy with the project.